You're watching market headlines. At the Jakarta Composite Index Intraday Movement, earlier today, JCI was open at the level of 7,112.36 and then approaching the closing time on the first session. The index was on the level of 7,102.02 and then the index was showing strengthening trend by the second session closing time. Index was closed at the level of 7,178.59 and in short, JCI went up 0.27%. And from the sectoral movement, finance went up 1.59%, health went up 0.76%, technology went down 1.34% and property went down 0.53%. And moving on to the top gainers, BBCA went up 0.31% to 8,200 rupiah, Bumi went up 5%, Barakat Indonesia went up 1.88%, and Telkom went up 1.79%. Meantime, the top losers, Pigas went down 1.08%, Goto went down 6.79%, Medco Energy went down 4.97%, and ICBP went down 4.87% to 8,300 rupiah per share. And next, let's see the intraday movement of rupiah towards US dollar. Open at the level of 14,802. Rupiah showing strengthening trend towards US dollar, and it was closed at the level of 14,826. And in summary, rupiah went up 0.37%. Sarimelati Kencana posted an increase in sales throughout the first semester of 2022. However, the company's profitability has actually eroded into a loss due to the increase in operating expenses. The Pizza Hut franchisee, namely Sarimelati Kencana, posted an increase in sales throughout the first semester of 2022. However, the company's profitability has actually eroded into a loss due to the increase in operating expenses. Based on the company's financial statements, net sales reached 1.74 trillion rupiah. This figure increased by 3.58% compared to the first semester of 2021. Most of the sales were contributed by the food sales segment, which reached 1.64 trillion rupiah before deducting sales discounts. Then sales of beverage before being deducted by discounts amounted to 112.48 billion, an increase compared to the first semester of 2021. The cost of goods sold decreased by 1.12% on an annual basis to 560.6 billion rupiah from the previous 566.96 billion. The decline made gross profit increase 5.96% to 1.18 trillion from the previous 1.2 trillion. However, the company's operating expenses recorded an increase. As a result, operating profit fell 80.38% on an annual basis to 11.27 billion during the first semester. Meanwhile, the bottom line shows a loss for the year of 5.7 billion rupiah from the previous profit of 40.4 billion rupiah. IDX Channel reports.